up, guys? This is GT Michaels 2002. It's been a while, I know. So that's why I thought I should make a video. I popped off to a shop and bought the world's hottest chips just to apologize and to make up for the lack of content. I'm gonna eat one right here. I have had these before. I've had one. Didn't go too well. I've seen my friends pour milk over their face from taking the corner of this chip. I took a whole one. I did it. I took water last. I beat everyone else. World's hottest chips. Let's go. Let's get into it. Fuck. I swear to God. But like, yeah, I swear to God, milk is an antidote to this. All right, this is the original packet. Not. They look a lot like Doritos, but they're a whole lot nastier. I can tell you that. I don't even know if I should be doing this. I don't want to do this again, but oh my God, I remember that smell. My nose is literally tingling right now. I don't know why. This is the worst fucking... Oh my God, I have some in my mouth. In my nose. It's stinging. Ow. Okay, the world's hottest chip. Well, not like the one, but it's made out of Carolina Reaper, which is the world's hottest pepper, plus Butcherlockia, which is ghost pepper, and scorpion pepper. The 3 world's hottest peppers. Okay, enough talking. Alright, eaten. It's all good. Why'd I do this? Ow! Fuck. It's spicy, man. It's really spicy. Okay. Bad idea. Oh, it's pain. It's just pain. I just got pins and needles on my face. Oh, oh, this is so bad. I'm gonna go for a long time without relief. I don't know when I started eating this chip. Probably been about a minute, maybe 2 minutes. Try to explain. Try to explain what this feels like. A normal jalapeno on a Scoville unit, which is a heat unit, is like 3,000, 8,000. This is 1 million. 1.2 million. So if you think you can't handle heat with those, if you cry from a pepper, don't do this, man. I can't smell anymore. My nose is drawing. I'm gonna take a swig of milk. Another minute. The things that is happening. My nose is tingling. My fucking mouth is numb. Just pain everywhere, guys. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, that feels so much better. There's no pain anymore. It'll start to come back. For now, this is the best I got. Oh, why are they hotter now? Hope this makes up like a video content, ow, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Leave a comment below. And here's the thing, I'm best with horror games. Start that back up. Go to GameJolt.com. I'll leave the description, link in the description below for GameJolt, free horror games. Link me a free horror game or name your price horror game. No, and I'll do it. Just give me suggestions, guys. First person horror games, I love them. And yeah, so that's some guys. It's G Michael 2002. Fuck. Good night. I mean, yeah, good night.